G'day, I'm Simon Brady from Ironbark Timber. Been in the timber industry for over 25 years, been selling decking and deck screw systems that long as well. I was looking for a unique product when we first went into selling deck screws, and everything we came across, we had issues with customers complaining about them failing. And when I came across SPAX and saw the quality of them, and when our builders used them, they never went back to using another screw system again. That's what I love about SPAX. We have the complete range of all exterior screws through SPAX. So we have the Delta Seal, which is sort of similar to a hot dip galvanised product that's sold in Australia, and we have their stainless steel range, which is their bread and butter. What I found with the SPAX is that they're a proper engineered product. Each screw is designed to do a certain job, here's a range of screws, just go for it and do a job. And that's what I liked about the engineered screw systems compared to the cheaper made ones. And we used to find the failure rates, like with a standard sort of Chinese or Asian built screw, was they're mass produced. They weren't made to a standard. They're just, you have dramas getting the bits in, the heads shear, whatever. That's what I liked about the SPAX. We've got everyone from the backyard, mum and dad on a weekend, all the way through to your government agencies, councils, all areas of construction are coming in now. Structural landscapers particularly, and they're specifying SPAX. They only have to use it once. Once they use it once, they see the value in it. Particularly if you've screwed 1,000 deck screws and you've broken probably a third of them, and you use this product and you don't break one, dollars and cents don't come into it. Once a few clients have used it, word gets around town very quick, and they come far and wide to use your product. We'd be doubling our sales every 12 months of SPAX screws. It speaks for itself. SPAX sell themselves. Once you get the clients in here and show them how great they are and how easy they are to use, and once they use them, they never go back to using a cheaper, inferior product.